First starting up on the VMS dosing pump. We now show you the first starting up of the VMS dosing pump. You need to give power to the equipment. Press Enter. Password appears. Press Enter. Short menu appears. Press the up arrow until you arrive at full menu. Press Enter. Prog 1 mode appears. Press Enter. Mode 1 constant appears. Press Enter. The SPM wording flashes. Press the up arrow until you see OLPH. To set the desired load, press the right arrow. Press the up arrow to set 0 and the right arrow to move the cursor. Press the up arrow to set 7 liters per hour. Press Enter. Mode 1 constant appears. Press ESC 3 times until stroke.